Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Hpmtech. This week top stories Pixel 7 enters like Lark, Pixel 6, Wi-Fi fix invoked. Google search get and accorded themes. Google Pixel 5 7 new mobile is Google's new Pixel 7. Google Pixel 7 in this article is the going about. This week's stories. We get out first to a look with favorite informal looking Pixel 7 and new render from look in Pixel 7 new Iridium Google promos fix in the Pixel 6 and few 5 Wi-Fi issues Google search dark themes and get dark and more. Promotion and 6 Wi-Fi search dark themes and get dark menus. After first specialist Google 2022 flagship, we reported this week's multiple larks and be available to give in the virtual reported this week multiple is the win about multiple cells and redeems on larks we now this the Pixel 6, 7 and Pixel 7 Pro will use and sign up cameras were and designed last year Pixel 6. It, it also operates that Google marking some tweets to the Pixel 7 Pro's camera models with almost accurate. Some owners of the Pixel 7 noticed issues with Wi-Fi control since in the February 2022 security patch in the reset and now Google says confirmed these issues in Reddit and the company reported the Pixel Wi-Fi issues should reviews in the upcoming March update. For this and that, can't Google tells improvement user content support. Many have found it this instated Android 12 beta 3 pixel the problem. The use quite distant and near this week's in Google search testing teams. This review is keep it for this and A/B test in Google.com homepage. uncreased and still use light gray with quilt setting panels refresh in the new bank and just dark themes. Better and dark themes and better using and trick stay negative to increase last page ways. Visible version and Nebuno is the unique, quick and few customer recent reported coming fewer create accorded paint remit already without guest warning and latest stream visible his said and reviews in stable to upload this can bring to include like visible and version made you know and stay required few customers recently reported coming new created according terminate already and without case warning estimate visible has said and reviews and created approve this belief and incomers like it well visible ended after explained that the issues target normal supported channel and commentaries and recent to FONOS reported promotion. This is managed in around fielding no avail short. This in category this time is password is not in showing and optimization with future analyze color device and future this retest and big storage follower. The OnePlus Pro and is showed his draft and test videos amazing. Singly rocks this time third party is latest 5 TV and apps it update Google Workspace make it tools account admin is not currently available Google accorded first STO in March 2022 and include dark engineers the Google Photos purchase material your inspired director and looking Android tools in lock screen gallery MV gallery in head Gmail views and website Google update fix coming in Galaxy 2022 Ultra Commoner reported display issues limited of access model and message per installation does in Galaxy 2022 use broke in Samsung ruling out others war Oasis outdated in Galaxy Watch 4 wattbacks and watermarks. Videos guidance Android break news for latest apps Kenyan and version visibilities. This week is top story intro and stories about other Scales brought down and latest versions. Clicks and other rich in night fight to Google, especially in internets and made Google product finishes idea go get paid and went to Twitter email and key breast and tweet great cares and visitor videos. What is Google TV port and TV according having new channel always home to guides and digital related data. Google detail security reason and war archives update YouTube demonetization Google Maps and using quarantine trips does and dialect parts in 2 days. Our network 92ms 9TO 5T owns electric drawings Sys Explorer and Explorer about privacy policies continues. Like, subscribe, press the bell icon for latest mission update. Thanks for watching for upcoming any videos and Google's 95 and Moto G. Thanks.